Here I am, I think this is episode 43. I got a call from Neil at Precise Automatics this afternoon to say my car was ready. It's been 2 weeks and 4 days since I dropped it off, and today the car was ready to pick up. Although Neil did say it needs a new set of plugs, the plugs are fouling because unleaded fuel kills plugs. So after I get the car back in the garage, I'm going to go chase some plugs up. That's going to be my next thing on my to-do list, so I can take this car for a drive, see what the gearbox is like now. Here we are in familiar surroundings. The car is back up in active stands because I find that the most convenient way to do work in the engine bay, given that I'm quite tall and the car is quite low. And as you can see, it has a new oil cooler, double the size of the old one. Very nice. Not a drop of oil has leaked out of the transmission since it got home on Wednesday. Guess you'd expect that if you just stopped up for a reconditioned automatic gearbox. So starting from the back, new tail shaft yoke, universal joint, transmission fully reconditioned, new B&M cable to suit the B&M shifter. Everything looks to be refurbished and rebuilt. He's actually modified the shift lever on the other side of the... he's modified that shift lever to suit the B&M shifter. He's retained the inhibitor switch for the C4 transmission, and he's set it all up to work properly together. It's got a new gearbox mount at the back there. I think he said he's modified the stall to give me a 2400 stall on it, so hopefully it should all be good. So I have here a tray of spark plugs, and now it's time to replace them all. I bought one spare as well, because you never know. So that's what we're going to do momentarily. Then, spark plugs are in. Let's see how we go with a cold start. safe and sound back at home, and the car has made it 25 k's without overheating. It did sit in traffic for quite some time during that drive, and it got up to 100 degrees, but it didn't go much further than that. It's a reasonably hot day, and I'm going to claim that as a success. Transmission works, although one takeaway I have at this stage is the car's not fast. Sounds nice, but it's not fast.